Yes, my people, look at this. A young 12-year-old child is taking care now of our mother. Her name is Naomi, and right now her mother is sick with stage 2 cancer, and she's taking care of her mother like she's 20 years old. So look at these people. It just goes to show you, that some of we not have no care. Once we reach certain age, we just don't have no care. And we come in like we no care about nobody than we self. So this goes to show you, say, at least some people have care in them heart and known to the youth. So it not gone bad. Yeah man, my people. So I have thank you all of you guys who's tuning in, And I just want to say this is very tragic, what happened to the mother. And people, if you can do better, do better. Yes, man. So I'm giving you a little part of it.
So and I just tell myself no, and I hurt my baby. So best thing I stay here.
And she's been lying in bed for almost a year. A year inside this house, locked in by the four dilapidated walls, with the faintest memory of the outside.
I think about the past and stuff like that. You understand? When we used to have fun, go out, and stuff like that. Yes. Then I think about I got just me as I did laugh by myself. I did laugh by myself when I think about it. When my baby birthday, I carried a princess. It almost broke me, but it enjoy itself for birthday.
You miss going outside?
Yes, sir. I miss going outside.
But those on the outside have forgotten about Jimenez and her plight. It was not up to recently, through the great work of policewoman Indira Wallace, that Jimenez's story is being told.
Why me have to I don't know. Why I have to stay in a bed all day, all night. Sometimes I turn, sometimes I can't turn. I feel bad. I feel real bad.
And to lift her spirit, Jimenez plays cards with.
Yes, my people. So you see the tragic. So when you have things easy and you have things a little bit easier than this woman here, you have to give thanks because many people out there you may not know how they're living, You may not know how they're living, how their day is going. So people, I want you to stop judging. Most of you people who judge, stop judging. Or you never know a book until you open it. You understand? Yeah. You never know what's in a book until you open it. So it just goes to show this young lady here is she have a lot of heart and a lot of potential, I wish her all the best. Yeah, because there's not many young lady like this out there. At least she's 12, but there's not many young ladies out there like she. Yes, man. I would love if this news media could help her in so many ways. Yes, and if it wasn't for that police woman, this story wouldn't be out there right now. Yes, and I commend that police lady. She's done a wonderful job to let this news get out there. Yes, because it's a boy. I don't know what to say, but I tell you, it's a situation. Yes, sir. But people on the other side, we all have to learn off our mistake. This lady, this lady just in our situation, and or if I could help her, I would help her. Yes, man, people. So I congratulate this young lady, and I know she have a bright future ahead. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. So I just want to say, thank you all for just subscribing, and so they are buying her some things right here, Yeah, helping her out, And I wish I know the residents so I could send something myself too. But I say go here on this other side, another
Good
story
evening.
here.
Those
Just
pictures
listen
that I
to it.
sent you, right, is my brother. A taximan took his life on January the 2nd in Brownstone, St. Anne, place called Boxing, right? He took a taxi because my sister just have a baby and send him out, which is Phoebe's sister also. Send him to the market fish shop. Anyway, around 6:30, brother taking taxi from Brownstone to Buxton. No argument wasn't in the vehicle. More than my brother tell him say, yo, don't mash up in goods them. Anyway, when he drive with him gun pan the car seat, when he reach a Buxton and my brother pay me in fear and take up him bag them, he shoot my brother in him buttocks. Anyway, him carry my brother to the hospital. Go back to the runaway base station and tell them say, oh, my brother attack him with knife and he shoot him in him belly. Anyway, autopsy done and get to understand saying buttocks he shoot him. So he gunshot lodge in him pelvic, burst in main vein. Right? And I saw my brother did. It's all over which party man say, oh, taxi, they have it as a taxi man shoot man because man pull knife pan him, or you have to pull knife pan a license firearm holder. The whole community did know so the boy having gun because tap jive pan people over there. Everybody over there did know say him having gun. You understand? So I saw my brother losing life. He killed my brother innocently. Innocently he killed my
Yes,
brother. We
my
must get
people.
justice. One way
I
or the
heard
other.
that this is another story, This guy is trying to cheat on his girlfriend, and this girl that he was with at the time wasn't having it, Yeah.
Huh?
I think she's underage too. I don't
It's
know
a good
what
thing me never
age the
get
guy
my
is,
pussy
but I
out
guess
tonight.
he's
I'm that
older.
surely kill you. What? Just put your clothes and go through
Listen
my
to
door.
these people.
Please. Your girl that text you. You're my Eddie Shade Zungo. Me read every fucking thing. It's a good thing me never lay down and skin out my catches give you. I swear. Come out of my place. Just go through the door and leave. You never know me know your password though. I'm
This
going to
is
text her
tragic.
too so you can reply back.
She deal with
I
him
text her say, no,
still.
my
But
collar
you let me
on
know in the comment section,
and you're asleep right now,
You
you
let me
can't come to
know.
your phone.
Could she have done it better, or did she need to take out the
1995
camera or
MB?
something?
Yeah. Me
Just let
catch
me
your
know in the
password.
comment section down
Just come
below.
out of my
People?
place.
A lot of
Come out
things
of
is
my
happening, and
place.
many of
Don't
us
come back on my yard, no call my blood
we're
clot
not getting to
phone.
see it. So she's just
Pull it
showing
up
you
latch
what's
lock too, you
happening in
can
the
pull it.
daily
It's a
life
good thing me give my
of
front tonight,
Jamaica.
I swear to God I'm not killing you, you see.
Real
Come
Showtime
out.
movie.
Bright no blood
Yeah, but
clot. Coupon you too.
some of
15-year-old
people
you want? I
that was
dare
that,
dream me I put this span. 15-year-old. Eh?
Really deal with him
Coupon you too.
away
Leave me
still, but
yard. Drunk
she
crow.
have
And don't come back,
our
nigga.
reasons. Yes, man, but this is a new way to cook, people? So yeah, man, this is a new way to cook. Goodness. And if you can't cook like this, say nothing. A style and fashion. Like I wouldn't cook like this, Daddy but did that. Everybody have their own way, and their own farm. But Theme farm this. Are you gonna add extra cheese on the back of that? Oh my god. Yeah. Cooking like he should.
I can put cheese on the corn too.
Put some cheese on. Yeah, man, my people. Yeah. So it just go to show you can take your hand make fashion. This is crazy. But I don't know what he did here with his hand, but I don't know if it's fashion or what. Make a smoker out of a toilet. Man, really eating food. Boy, look at this, and it don't look bad, Only reason why I wouldn't eat it is because it's there on the tile, and it's not a nice place. So thank you people for watching. Hope you like and subscribe.